Hello, my dear students. Today, we'll learn how to build beautiful sentences pound, step by step, with slow English. Don't worry if English feels hard. We will go slowly, together. We'll listen, we'll speak, and we'll build each sentence one word at a time. Are you ready? Let's start our English journey calling.
Favorite. Favorite. Celebration. Celebration. 6th October. 6th October. My favorite celebration is 6th of October. My favorite celebration is 6th of October. Remind. Remind. Brave. Brave. Egyptian soldiers. Egyptian soldiers. It reminds us how brave the Egyptian soldiers are. It reminds us how brave the Egyptian soldiers are. Love. Love. Sham el-Nisim. Sham el-Nisim. I also love Sham el-Nisim. I also love Sham el-Nisim. Go. Go. The garden. The garden. Play. Play. Eat. Eat. Salted fish. Salted fish. We go to the garden to play and eat salted fish. We go to the garden to play and eat salted fish. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr. Happy. Happy. On Eid al-Fitr, we all are happy. On Eid al-Fitr, we all are happy. Mother. Mother. Mother's Day. Mother's Day. All mothers are happy on Mother's Day. All mothers are happy on Mother's Day. Read it slowly. My favorite celebration is 6th of October. It reminds us how brave the Egyptian soldiers are. I also love Sham el-Nisim. We go to the garden to play and eat salted fish. On Eid al-Fitr, we all are happy. All mothers are happy on Mother's Day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe for more fun videos. Goodbye!